with TL. We in the studio.
Hey, Vinsanity Brazy.
Vinsanity Brazy. You heard what's up. We in the booth. What we doing today, bro?
Hey, first time in the studio, my man TL's put me on.
Something like, tell him.
Yeah. Walk with me. I can give you the game, but I can't play it for you.
I've got him in my new tone. We're gonna center everything and pretty much tune his vocals fine-tuned. And then here, we're gonna see what keys on the piano roll he's actually singing that hook in. Guys, so this is what we got captured.
Walk with me. I can give you the game.
Then drums go in.
I can play it for you. Walk. I can play it for you. Walk with me. I can show you what they do it for you. Walk with me. I can show you what they do it for you. Take them back to the day when a nigga was behind me.
Yeah.
All night, go with my team right behind me.
Tell him.